Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or uh, how to solve Tinder Shadowban. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder Shadowban, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list you will search about the window of Tinder and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache and in the end you can turn off your phone and you will wait a moment, then you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Tinder. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.